Hard competition between Ishal and Rehma. Huh? Who will be come first? I don't know. Huh? Okay. What is your name?
My name is Rehma.
Rehma. Okay. Rehma. Very good. Rehma, what is your father name, please?
My father name is Yasir.
Yasir. Huh? Okay. Do you need pencil?
No.
Why? Do you have pencil in your bag?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You are seeing your teacher, huh? She will help you? Okay. मुझे बताओ पेपर जो अभी आपके हुए हैं, टेस्ट हुए हैं, उसमें टीचर ने कितनी हेल्प की थी? बहुत हेल्प की। क्या क्या बताया था?
टीचर ने हमें साइंस का ही बताया था,
हाँ।
इंग्लिश का भी बताया था।
नहीं, जब आप पेपर हल कर रहे थे उस वक्त बताया था कि ये जो आप लिखो। हाँ। कब बताया था?
जब माइकल भी
Okay, that's good. Okay, now tell me, Rehma, what is the name of our Prime Minister? Imran Khan, very good. Okay, what is the name of our country?
My country name Pakistan.
Pakistan?
Yes.
Okay, say Pakistan
Zindabad.
Zindabad. That's right. Okay. Okay, now tell me, who is the last prophet?
Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the last prophet.
And who create you? Who is your creator?
My creator is my Allah.
And the same, who create you?
Allah.
Allah, mashallah, very good. Okay, now tell me, what is your father?
My father is businessman.
Businessman, mashallah. And your mother?
My mother is housewife.
Housewife. Okay. And what is your sister?
My sister is housewife.
Housewife? No. She is a student. हाँ?
Yeah.
पढ़ती नहीं है वो? तो फिर she is student. And what is your brother?
My brother is student.
Student. Okay. Salute me and go, please. Okay. Go, Rehma.